Alright guys, in this video we're going to cover the canned responses, which are called global templates inside of Genius Messenger CRM. You can see we've got our extension loaded here. If we're in our messages, this is where we'll find all of our existing templates. So we're just going to quickly build out a few of these so you can see how this works. And I think you're going to love this feature. It's one of my favorite features inside Genius Messenger CRM. So one way to quickly get there is go up into your browser extension, this G up here, open that and click Messages. And now we're in Global Templates. So we have none right now. What we're going to do is create a few. And a few I like to use are links, videos, scripts, and then if you have products that you're going to talk about, you can have those in there as well. Now, what's cool about this is these are all going to be neatly categorized now under our Messenger tab. So if we pull up messages again, you can see we have those nice little categories. If we click into them, right now they're empty. So we're going to fill up some of these just to quickly show you how this works. So you can see here, add your text, message, emoji, or image. So you can save images, text, and emojis. And let me just pull up some things we can fill in here. First, I'll do an image. So there's that image. I'll add one more image too. So there's a couple images. If I ever want to share those, now they're at the click of a button. And I'll do a little message that I often send out. So now that's available there. And I'll do this one as well. Looks like I got a gap up here, so I'm going to just redo this one. There, that's better. And I'll delete this guy. So now if I go back under Chirply, all my canned responses are right there available for me to send very easily. I can do the same thing for each one of these. I can put some links in here. If I want video links. That way I can send people videos when they're asking for a question. You can have links to support docs, any resources that you're using over and over. Just put a link there and they'll be right at your fingertips. You won't have to go searching for the video, scouring through old conversations, and stuff like that. I'll add some links here too. If someone's interested in Chirply, I can just shoot them a link. If someone's interested in Friend Connector, I can just shoot them a link. If someone's interested in Genius Messenger CRM, I can just shoot them a link. Or Link Wizard, I can shoot them a link. So what's interesting about this is it's filling out all these things, and they'll be available under each category that you place them. Right now, you can't edit these templates. So that's one thing we're working on and one of the updates coming soon, to be able to just edit these. Right now you have to delete them and add them. So if you're gonna delete something, if you need to make a tweak, what I recommend is you just hit copy and paste it in here, make your changes, and then re-add it and delete that old message. Also, when you go to send these, this does not send the message. What it does is it pre-populates it here down in the chat. So then you can just hit enter and it's going to send that message. So the reason we did that is you might want to customize the message for each individual lead you're talking to. One of the other features we have coming up imminently on the roadmap is you'll be able to add customized merge fields here. So you can use something like a name field where it will customize to each individual you're chatting with. So you send the can template and that name is going to customize to each individual. So that's going to be useful. You can see how quick this is if you wanted to get all your stuff right in one place. Makes it super easy. And from that point forward, all your stuff is available. This is what I'm building out right now, this training. So of course I'm going to have a link to this training if someone asks questions. I can make a YouTube specific video template just for Genius Messenger CRM and link to each individual video under the playlist. So that's the power of Genius Messenger CRM and their global templates. So just a quick note here. That's my script, Sell Stuff Dummy. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. We have some powerful improvements coming on this as well, as I mentioned. You'll be able to quickly edit these links, customize them to each person you're sending them to, and all that good stuff. But it's all already an amazing feature that hopefully you get some use out of. You can stay super organized, no more copying and pasting, neatly categorize everything in here, and have it at your fingertips. So one thing I did want to mention, if you have SOPs and you wanted to use Genius Messenger with your staff, what you can do is create a link wizard link for that SOP. And what that's going to do is allow you to send the link to the SOP, and it's an instant download. So one of the types of links that Link Wizard can create are file links. So files up to 500 megabytes you can instantly download from your Link Wizard links. So if I open up Link Wizard, I'll show you what I mean. So we'll use this one as an example. This is a template I use for Chirply, so people can download the file and easily upload their leads into Chirply. So if I click this button, you can see it pops up a new screen. Link has been protected by a password. That's totally optional. You don't have to add that. And then if I submit it, file download should start now, and you can see it pops up right here. And here's my Excel file. So if you have links to documents, SOPs, stuff like that, something like Link Wizard would be a cool option to just put that stuff right in here. But with that being said, we'll go on to the next video. I'm just going to quickly touch on the notes feature And then from there, we'll move on with the rest of the training. Hopefully this has been helpful. See you guys in the next video.